Y'all stand up for y'all's run to leave, go out this way, and then go around the front, get in line, and y'all gonna go out that gate. That way we ain't gotta wait and crisscross.
Central High School, class of 2022.
Good evening. Tonight I have the pleasure of introducing our MCHS Class of 2022 salutatorian. This young lady has attended Millington School since the 8th grade. During that time, she has received many accolades and also had many accomplishments. She's the first ever swimmer to compete on the high school level for Millington Central High School. During that time of 3 years, she advanced into high school state swim meet. She was also part of our yearbook committee. She'll be graduating with state honors, state distinction, district distinction, Tri-Star Scholar, Hope Scholarship, honors diploma, and with a GPA of 4.315. She'll be attending the University of Southern Indiana on a swimming and academic scholarship, majoring in mechanical engineering, and she hopes to pursue a career centered in robotics. I'm pleased to announce the MCHS Class of 2022 salutatorian, Ms. Abigail Henry.
First few weeks leading up to high school. Are my classes going to be hard? Am I going to know anybody? Am I going to be an A-line while my friends are at sea? All these questions are running through your head, and then it's time and you dive in. You dive into the freezing cold water and then you just start swimming. New friends, tests, figuring out the layout of the school. The race is on and you kind of get into a little bit of a rhythm. Going to lunch with the same friends, learning how to study for those tests, and figuring out where you belong. Of course, 3 quarters of the race in and you're getting tired. It's junior year and you've hit a forever, but you keep swimming knowing that the end is coming. You can't see it, but you can't stop now. Then you're on your last 25 yards and you see the end. It's senior year and graduation is near. Your legs are burning, the assignments are never ending, and then you touch the wall. You've finished the race. Everyone is clapping, and you're soaking up all the attention, unless of course you're me, and that's why I'm the salutatorian, and my cousin is valedictorian. And now you're at graduation. You may be tired and worn out, and just relieved. But what's next? We've all made it. We're done. For some of us it's college, for others it's technical school, and for others the workforce, and the rest may have no idea right now. You're standing at the edge of the pool, wondering what the next race will be. Life begins with graduation, and you need to dive in and get started. Thank you, and congrats to us.
I am honored and privileged to introduce the Millington Central valedictorian for the class of 2022, Erin Blankenship. This young man has been an active member of the soccer team, and the coach made me sure I included is able to play any position on the field at any time. He was a TWSAA District Defensive Player for the 2021 season and currently has scored 19 goals with more games this time. He is the 2022 team captain and also helped the girls soccer team as their manager. Erin has been taking advanced placement and honors classes every year in high school, earning about 18 college future plans include attending the University of Alabama in Huntsville and majoring in mechanical engineering. Millington Central valedictorian, Erin Blankenship.
And all of my cousins for shaping me into the person I am today. And of course, I have to thank all my friends that have made this journey a little brighter for me to walk on. And most importantly, I want to thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ for helping me find the joy to persevere through it all. Now that that is all said, I can finally get into the speechy stuff. I don't know about y'all, but I'm extremely proud to be here today. Personally, for me, it's been hard, so I know for many of y'all, it's been even harder. Everyone should be proud of where we are and how far we've come. But I want to remind you that this is only the beginning. A beginning for further change, a beginning for further improvement, and a beginning for our impact to society. From here on out, it's all on you. Nothing is mandatory anymore. All your responsibilities are in your own hands, and it's your decision whether or not to take them on. But that doesn't mean you have to do it all on your own. I've always believed that everyone needs at least one person to support them. That one person who will stick with them through everything. If you can find that one person, life can become a whole lot easier. But even more, if you can find that person within yourself, anything can become possible. Self-motivation is quite literally unstoppable. And it got me and many of you all here today, and I know it will take us even further.
Seniors, while I have you for a few more minutes, I would like to share a few words with you. A few words about seasons. When you were young, you learned all about the 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. You drew pictures, you labeled diagrams, you even sang songs about their changes. As you grew older, you became more aware of those changes, from the clothes you wear to the activities you plan. You are now at the age where you will soon begin to equate your life stages to seasons. Many of you feel as though you are in your summer phase. Plenty of time to do that later, whatever your that may be. Well, let me save you a few years of worrying and anticipation. Each day of your life is a cycle of seasons. Each and every day you will experience a spring, a summer, a fall, and a winter, and not necessarily in that order. Each day is a new beginning with new challenges and new opportunities. The key is taking the time to find those hidden opportunities. Many times they're hidden right before your eyes. Anne Frank once wrote, "What a wonderful thought it is that some of the best days of our lives have not even happened yet." How different would your day be if you went to sleep at night knowing that tomorrow would be a fresh new day? A day where you may be standing in the shadows one minute and the sun will be shining on your face the next. A new day where new thoughts and ideas will bloom while old thoughts and ideas will wilt. How different would your day be if you made an effort to look for those new beginnings? They're everywhere, every day. For example, most people do not notice when nature smiles back at you, like a cool breeze across your face. Well, we could use some nature smiles right now. The fresh scent of a flower floating through the air. The sound of leaves on the ground. Each of those happen every day, but many of us neither take the time to notice nor appreciate them. Opportunities and new beginnings are everywhere. At Millington Central, you've been given opportunities. Those opportunities have helped guide you here tonight. I challenge you, the class of 2022, to move forward in life, to always look for those new beginnings, and never forget that seasons change so that life may continue. We love you. We wish you nothing but the best. Class of 2022, you are dismissed.